Hey guys, welcome to another Snacktastic adventure. Today we have assembled, and by we I mean Kelly, has assembled some very strange snacks for us to try today.
As I grocery shop or go to the Dollar Tree or anything, if I see something that is different or new, I'm like, oh, I think I'll collect that and try it on the next episode. So just a couple things that I found that were different.
We got a bonus snack from our mother to try. A Fruit Loop protein bar, I guess?
Yum.
It's a limited edition.
Oh
man.
Yeah, well, you can. If it's good.
Put that in a glass case. Once again, we are joined by our father.
Father.
Our mother.
And the Holy Spirit.
And Izzy. Dad, why don't you pick one of these to try first? So he has picked the Sour Patch Kids Peach, which I had no idea was a real thing.
Yeah, I'm telling you, Dollar Tree has like these random new candies that they get in, and that's whenever I see them there, I'm like, oh, we gotta try it.
That's pretty. There we go. Mmm.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Wow. Tastes similar to a peach ring.
It is, without the hole in the middle. Good Sour Patch texture.
Not very sour, but still good.
Very sweet. I like that.
Very, just perfect.
Georgia peach sweet.
Started strong.
Yeah.
I think it can only go down from here.
Honestly, though, let's try this protein bar.
Thank you, Mother, for your donation.
Your donation.
I believe she got this from Trader Joe's. Good place for some good snacks. It's got a very cakey inside, or kind of cookie dough looking inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells like a protein bar.
That's the thing, the flavors always look so fun and cool, and then you try it and you're like, that's protein.
Oh, nope, sorry.
Can't say. All
Out
right.
of that. Face.
Oh.
Oh. I know. Like,
Oh my god. Why did I have to get such a big piece?
oh my god.
Can I go?
Oh yeah, I can't either. Oh my god, that's so bad.
Bad. That's so bad.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. We went from peach to that. Oh my god.
Who would want this?
I feel like I licked the gym floor.
Good thing this is a limited
Oh my
edition. I didn't even taste a Fruit Loop.
Yeah, what? Like, what the? That tastes like kitty litter. Not that I've tasted that, but.
Oh my gosh, that is one of the worst.
Disgusting.
Put that down in the
Never
bottom
ever try that
5
ever again.
worst.
That,
oh my god.
That on a dangerous snack episode.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. That would be game changer.
Well, Mom, you picked quite a doozy there.
Yeah, thank you for that.
So let's take a break from the gross and have a mellow top Reeses.
Yum.
Now, I think we kind of had something similar in a Halloween episode. They did like a witch marshmallow Reeses.
Oh,
but
really?
It was like all green or something.
Oh.
Reeses with cream. Green cream.
I hope these are different.
Smells like a Reese's. This was very good.
Izzy, you want some? Just kidding.
Here we go.
Thumbs up.
Kind of had a s'mores taste to it, actually.
Yeah, I bet you if you eat the whole thing, since we were doing halves, it probably made it.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was good.
Okay.
I'm impressed. Yeah, it did kind of have a small. It kind of tastes like that peanut butter and Ritz thing.
Oh yeah, our mother would on snow days. She'd get a Ritz cracker, some peanut butter, marshmallow, toast it. Oh man, those
That
were
tasted similar to
die
that.
for.
Except it has chocolate, so I
Yeah.
think it's really good.
Oh, it's so good. Now we're down to the final snack,
The
and I
finale.
think the one we've been fearing the most: the chocolate Hershey's Twizzlers.
I'll be so excited if they turn out to be good.
I think it's gonna be better than that protein bar.
Anything will be better than that.
It smells like chocolate.
It does.
Mhm.
Okay.
Well, I don't know.
I don't like when I'm having to chew chocolate.
No. Yeah, I'm with you there.
Oh, black licorice was bad, but I don't know. It was pretty bad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm glad y'all feel
not
the
for
same
me.
way.
Yeah, no, this is not good. Dang it! I love the Twizzler texture, but I'm not liking
That's
the
just-
fact that it's chocolate.
Yeah.
Nope. Nice try, Hershey's, but
Not a nice try.
do that
Try again. God. This has
Yeah.
been quite the roller coaster of snacks today.
Definitely.
oh, man.
Yeah. Dad, what was your favorite of the bunch?
I just keep going to the Sour Patch.
Yeah.
That's just,
I gotta say.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. I'm also with the peach Sour Patch
Yeah,
Kids.
this bunch, I'd say that was probably the best. The peanut butter came kind of close second, but definitely
Yes.
peach. Peach for the win.
Peach was
for
the
win.
piece of resistance.
Resistance.
It saved us from that nasty protein flavor.
Yes, it did.
God.
It's about to save me from this chocolate
That
one.
was disgusting. Well, we hope you enjoyed this episode. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give us a like, subscribe.
Be sure to give us a like, subscribe.
Give us more snack recommendations. What other
Always.
weird snacks are out there? Please, we'd like to try them. Also, check out our snack shop. Link in the description below. We got some cool merch in there. Some great Kelly faces you can buy.
Oh, good to see that.
Yeah, and thank you so much for being here, Dad.
Oh, hey.
Thanks for
this has
joining
been
us.
Great.
Thanks for
Yeah.
snacking
I'm
us.
just completely elated.
And Izzy, thank you for producing this episode.
She's about to have a spa day.
So until next time, keep
Keep
on
on
snacking.
I love